Now I will have a beautiful class called a student, guys. See, class, and the class name is student. Okay, open curly braces and close curly braces. Okay, we know what is a class. It's a platform or a blueprint to store the states and behaviors of an object, a step. And what is the class name? Student. So all the student related properties, I'm storing it inside the class. Every student will definitely have a property called as age. And is the age same for all the students? No, it will differ, correct? Okay, so every student will have a property called as age. And what is the job of a constructor? To initialize, correct? Therefore, I will create a constructor. Class name and constructor name is same. Open parenthesis. Oh, before that, okay, before that. Okay, as of now, is the class having any constructor? Yes or no? You might tell no, sir, but yes, this class is having a constructor. If you cannot see, the compiler would have automatically generated. That is the default constructor. Every class will have a constructor mandatorily. If you cannot see, it's default. If you can see, it is custom. Aste. As of now, have I defined any constructor? No. So default constructor is virtually implicitly present. Now I explicitly define. See, class name is student and the constructor name is also student. Open parenthesis close and open curly braces close. Is this an example for default constructor or custom constructor? Sir, this might look similar to default constructor, but since I have explicitly defined it, we will refer it as custom constructor. As of now, it is an example for non-parameterized custom constructor. Non-parameterized meaning as of now it is not accepting any arguments and it is defined explicitly by the constructor. So it is non-parameterized custom constructor. But now what I do, I will make sure the constructor will accept some argument called as a. Why? Because I have to initialize the age, right? And this a, I am initializing it into a variable called as age. Sir, what is happening over here, sir? What is happening over here, sir? I will explain it to you in a beautiful manner here. Okay, concentrate. Everyone concentrate. Sir, you will have your main method, sir, wherein the execution will always begin from, correct? So execution will always begin from where? Begin from the main method here. Okay, public static void main string array of arguments, open curly braces and close curly braces. This is wherein the execution starts from, right? Now here, closely observe this. Okay, student, I create an object. Student s1 equals to student s1 equals to new student of. Okay, what is the output we get here? Okay, what is the output as of now, guys? What will be the output here? So there will be compile time error. Sir, why is our compile time error here? Why? Sir, when we create an object here, simultaneously the constructor will get executed and the constructor is accepting an integer argument. You are not passing anything. So the compiler will nicely slap left and right and tell Dabba fellow pass on integer value. Okay, now okay, I need to pass now. I will pass on value called as 21. Now what will happen? Sir, new meaning one object is getting created, sir. Correct? And the address of the object is 111, sir. And who is pointing? S1 is pointing to that particular object, sir. And why did I create an object? To store the non-static properties within the memory. Which is the non-static property? Age. This age will get initialized to the default value 0. Why? Because the variable is just declared and not initialized to any value. Therefore, it will get initialized to the default value 0. And simultaneously, the constructor is also getting executed. So the control goes here. The control goes to the constructor. And what is the A value I'm passing now? The A value I'm passing is 21. So A means 21. The 21 is getting stored into a variable called as age. And that age is a non-static variable present within the object. So the age will get initialized to 21. Got the clarity here? Understood? Similarly, sir, can I create one more object? Create student. S2 equals to new student of. Okay, new student of. Now what will be the output? Compile time error. Why? Sir, while creating an object, simultaneously constructor will get executed. The constructor is accepting some argument. You are not passing anything. So I need to pass some value. Okay, I will pass 22. So now what happens? Sir, when you tell new, an object is getting created, sir. Right? And what is the object address? 222. And which is the reference pointing to it? S2 is pointing to the object 222. And which is the non-static variable? Age. This age will get initialized to the default value 0 as of now. Why? Because it's just declared, Ashte. Now then, what will happen? Slowly, the constructor is also getting, the control goes to the constructor. And what is the age I'm passing now? The age is 22. Okay. So now when I tell A, it is 22. That 22 is getting stored into a variable age and that age is present within the object. Now S2 is acting no. In S2, the age will get initialized to 22. Got it? So the job of the constructor is to initialize. Got it? Therefore, now when I try to print system.out.println, if I want to print the content s1.age, what will be the output? Space and s2.age. What will be the output? Sir, s1.age is 21 and s2.age is 22. Why? s1.age is 21, s2.age is 22. So this is what we are supposed to understand when it comes to the constructors topic. Okay, now here, sir, can we execute it, sir? 101% we can execute so many programs here. Okay, I'll give you a lot of clarity here. Okay, don't worry. Control N, and I will create a class. Okay, and the class name will be student. Okay, and then the class name is student, and then each and every, see, I'll just remove this public here because I don't like as of now. Okay, so it's a simple Java program. Package com meaning, sir, there is a folder called as com, sir. Student.java file is present in the com folder, sir, and class is a blueprint, sir. Ashte. And every student will have something called as age, correct? And the constructor I will create class name, constructor name same, open parenthesis close, open curly braces close. Therefore, the constructor will accept some argument A, and that argument A I will store it into age. Okay, see, RHS to LHS. Assigning will always happen from RHS to LHS. Now I'll have my main method wherein the execution begins from I create an object. See, student s1 equals to new student of. Why the hell is it giving an error? Sir, common sense, sir. Because when you create an object, constructor will get executed, sir. The constructor is accepting an integer argument. So make sure you pass some value, sir. Okay, I pass 21. So this 21 will get stored into A, and that A, that is nothing but 21 will get stored into age of S1 object. Similarly, when I create one more object S2 and I pass 22. So now what happens? 22 I am passing it to A, and the 22 is getting stored into age of which object? S2 object. So therefore, two objects got created, two instances got created, two copies got created. Therefore, so I can just easily print it as, okay, age colon, okay, plus s1 dot age. This is students 1 age, and simultaneously I can print the students 2 age as well. Okay, I can directly print it as s2 dot age here. So now when I execute it, did I get my expected output? See here, I got the output as age equals to 21 and age equals to 22. I got the output in the most brilliant manner. Okay, so this is what we are supposed to understand. Okay.